Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be cooking a chickpea coconut curry dish. It's quick and easy, and it provides a quick and easy meal prep for the week. So we're going to start off with dicing our red onion. You want to dice that finely. And you do it with the knife, or if you have some type of chopping dish or bowl, you can do it the same way. All right, so once we have our onions cut up, now we're gonna put a little oil in the in our pot, and now we want to saute the onions. I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic in it, and we're also gonna do some ginger. So I already bought the store-bought already minced ginger and garlic, but you can do it yourself also by using cloves or grated ginger. But once we get in there, we want to make sure we coat the bottom of the pot. And now we're going to add a little bit of coriander. All right, so now let's throw our onions in there. And we want to saute these onions until they're a little bit translucent. So maybe 5 to 7 minutes. All right, so once we have our onions sauteed, now let's put our bell peppers in. And with this one, I'm using frozen bell peppers. You can use frozen, or you can cut them up and have fresh ones, but it's up to you. If you want something quick, then just grab the frozen ones. And now we want to saute these for another maybe 7 to 8 minutes. With them being frozen, it might take a little bit longer. If you have the fresh ones, then it won't take as long. All right, so now we got those sauteed. They're nice and soft, well coated. All right, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of cumin. And do a little bit more coriander. I'm going to add some turmeric for the color, and turmeric is always a good herb and spice to use. Now I'm going to add some smoked paprika. You can do smoked or you can do regular paprika, it's up to you. Now we're just going to make sure all the vegetables are well coated. And then we're going to let that saute for a while. All right, so we got our vegetables coated and sauteed. Now we're going to pour in our coconut milk. I'm going to use 2 cans of full fat coconut milk. And now we're throwing our vegetable broth. Just a cup of vegetable broth. Or you can do water. I like vegetable broth, it adds more flavor to it. You want to stir it well, mixing everything together. All right, once we got it mixed in, we're gonna throw in our chickpeas. We're doing 2 cans of chickpeas. Make sure you rinse them before you use them. And we're gonna throw a little bit of coconut aminos, or you can do low sodium soy salt. Soy sauce. All right, mix everything up good. Make sure we get those flavors all mixed together. All right, so we're gonna put the lid on, let it boil for a while. And once it comes to a boil, we want to let it simmer, so we'll turn the heat down. I'm putting a little pepper and salt in it with it. Some sea salt, or you can do Himalayan pink salt. You want to stay away from that table salt. All right, so let's mix that all in. And we're gonna let it simmer some more. All right, so once it simmers for a while, maybe 15 to 20 minutes, now you're ready to go. And you can serve this over quinoa or jasmine rice or wild rice, or just eat it straight up. Either way is really good. And with this recipe, you can also add a little bit of curry to it. Curry powder, I didn't with this one, and it's still very good, but you can add curry powder if you like. But that's it. Quick and easy. It makes enough for 4 to 5 meals, and this is something that you can meal prep and have through the week. So if you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.